Hello, good afternoon. Uh,
Good afternoon,
like
sir.
to, yeah, good afternoon. Okay, today with us a new student will be joined there, and today we are start a new topic, the perspective. Okay, so today we are explaining about the perspective, and we are starting from the this is also a new like a new subject for us only. Okay, so maybe you guys know a little bit. So today I am explain by my side. Okay, how we can make it properly and more easy way. Okay, so first of all, you guys know you guys know a little bit about the terms about what is called if it is possible, please put on your front camera, so it will be easy for us to for the discussion. uh, okay, so you guys know about what is called horizontal line.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you explain me?
Sir, like this way.
Yeah, like this way. So
A
I
line
car to
goes to
like
left to right or right to left,
left
goes
to right
from.
and right to left. Okay, and like if Arpita, if you say someone horizontal line is this way, so someone who didn't understand your word, so they think that you kill him. Okay, so don't like that way. Okay, so what is the possibility yeah, that is also possibility. There is one line will be maybe left to right or right to left. That line also we are called the horizontal line, but that is not the perfect definition, I think. Okay, so okay, let's I ask some few more question today, because question answer is a very important thing. Like when we are doing artwork, it is very important that we are understanding each and everything. So for that reason, what is vertical line? Can we cut from the center?
A
Yeah,
standing line.
a standing line. Okay, okay, that one also good one. So easiest way, if I say, if I make a straight line east to west or west to east, that is called horizontal line. Because I show you in the paper, because because uh, this is my right side, and this is sorry, this is my right side, and this is my left side. Okay, am I right? In that camera it will be a opposite direction maybe. So if it is possible that my line will be right to left, will be look going like this way, sorry, make it more dark. So going like this way, maybe it will be right, left to right will be going like this way. So that is the possibility. The line will be some till, and it will be straight or not like that way. So we are called not it is very easy to say east to west. Yeah, west to east, anything. Okay, make a straight line east to west. It will be called horizontal line. And like the same way, the vertical line is if you say north to south, and that will be very that will be a very easiest way to explain which is called the horizontal line, and which is called the vertical line. Okay, so again, I am asking you one more question. You guys heard about eye level?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the eye level?
Sir, the line like from which like sir समझाऊं कैसे sir like
That is the important thing, like how
sir
you explain.
मतलब जैसे हम देखते हैं तो like फार पॉइंट जहाँ तक हम देख सकते हैं उस पॉइंट से लेके हमारी आई तक जो लाइन होती है उसको like आई पॉइंट आई लाइन कह सकते हैं like हमारी आई के पैरेलल जो लेवल होता है उसको आई लाइन
ओके, हम लोग आई के पहला जो लेवल होता है वो आई लेवल होता है. Okay, एनी मोर? Okay, so again I say, like what is the eye level, like how I explain that thing. Okay. Like it is a very important thing that where we are standing, yeah, where we are sitting. Means someone sitting in sofa, someone standing in a door, someone sit in the floor. So always our eye level will be changed, but our eye, like in our body, the eyes is not changed, eyes in the same place. So how we are explaining and that like what is the eye level? So eye level is like the distance of the eye from your from the ground where you are standing. Means like you are standing in some place or you are sitting in some place, so distance the eyes to the ground. If I make a straight line in front of our in that level, so that line we are called the eye level. You guys understand what I say? Okay, so now I explain. Like I am making a easiest character. Like just think this is me. Okay, not like this way. Okay, I am looking different, but it will be a like you can think this is a human. Okay, so what will be happen? His eyes will be here. So now the eye level will be coming like this way. Okay, am I right? So this is the eye level will be starting from this point because he is standing here. If he is standing on a tool, on a chair, so what will be happen? His eye level going more up. Means now his eye level is the floor will be here and the eye height will be a little bit more up. It is a very important thing, like when we draw something or draw anything in a, like in a perspective. So first I need to know where is my eye level. If I can understand what is my eye level, it is very easy to make anything in perspective, like create a new thing by that eye level. Without eye level, we didn't do anything. Okay, so if we are if this boy will be sitting, so what will be happen on that time? Again, it will be changed the eye level. Means now I make him as a sitting position. So the eye level will be start from there to there, that much. Okay. So this thing you understand what is called eye level. I can ask any day. Don't forget. Okay. Okay. Next one. The very important thing is called vanishing point. So what is the vanishing point? You heard about the terms about vanishing point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the vanishing point?
सर लाइक जहाँ तक हमारी आई देख सकती है.
अगर लाइट बंद कर दो तो तुम्हारे सामने कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. देन
सर नॉट लाइक दैट कि मतलब जैसे हम देख रहे हैं तो सारी चीजें वहां जाके एक पॉइंट में लाइक यू नो भी सब कुछ हमें एज अ पॉइंट दिखे.
okay, like it is a very good example, like where two parallel line meet each other like a rail line. Means yeah, if you standing in front of a rail line, so that line will be going in a distance, but that rail line is a parallel line, both line will be parallel, but in a distance that parallel line meet one point. You maybe you guys read in this in the science book also. Okay, the two parallel line meet in a point. That point we are called as a vanishing point. Okay, what is perspective? You guys, lots of time we are utilize these terms, like our perspective, it doesn't match with him or doesn't match with her, so what is the perspective, meaning of the perspective? Divya, you want to say something?
So,
Yes.
any opinion about something?
Yes,
Like,
only the opinion.
सर
So
like perspective is like our view कि हम किसी चीज को कैसे देख रहे हैं.
uh, like when we watch something, like in TV series or movie, we have different type of opinions about something, like people, things.
Yeah, that is also a good point, like how we see that thing, that is the important. So but that is the another terms of perspective, but when we are utilized in drawing, so that time why it is a very important, the perspective is very important. Okay, now you guys need to see, first we are draw the eye level, like you can draw by the scale also. When you draw this thing, when you draw a line, okay, this is a straight line. How we say that this is the straight line? Because this line is parallel to that edge also, paper edge. This is also a straight line. This line also a straight line. This is not like a this way curved line, but this is not parallel to the edge, paper edge. Okay, so when you draw something, we must be draw the when we draw eye level, it will be that must be parallel to your edge also, the paper edge. Okay, so you guys also start with me little bit, so it will be very easy and it will be very easy to understand that thing. Kalyani, you also bring some paper pencil, and also you also uh, we are also working together, so that time it is very easy to understand each and every one. Okay, so this is our straight line. So now after that, this is also horizontal line also. Okay, but in a paper there is a lots of horizontal line is a possibility, but eye level is a single one. Okay, so vanishing point always be in your eye level. Must be think about that, you remind this thing, vanishing point always be in our eye level. Vanishing point is not a possibility, it will be upside of our eye level or below side of the eye level. It is always in our eye level. Okay, I can put it in center also, I can put in this area also, I can put it any place. Like I explained that thing where we can put that thing. Before that I say just we can put it the vanishing point in any in that line anywhere. Okay, you can understand that one. Okay, so what we can do, like when we draw object. Okay, like if you see this from this point, we are making some line. Can you see this line properly? Okay, we can make can you see this thing? Okay, just draw first quickly. You take line anywhere. Don't think like the line will be exactly look like my line. No need. You just take a straight line, take a point, and take some supporting line. Okay. Okay. Now, like in this image, how many vanishing point you guys observe? Single one. Okay, so that is called one point perspective. So in one point perspective, each and every line, like where we can take any horizontal line, it will be parallel from that eye level or that edge of that paper. We can take it like that way. We can take it any kind of line, it will be must be parallel from that area. We can take this kind of line very easily. Just I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line. Okay, now if you see in this image, this line will be touch in this point, in this line. Am I right? Okay, so what we can do, we make a straight line as in vertically from that point. It will be straight from the edge of the paper also. It will be parallel from the edge of the paper also. So it is, you draw, it will be very easy. Now what we can do, this point, there is no supporting line. Like in these other 2 points, there is also supporting point, and this point also no supporting point, and this point also no supporting point. So we are taking the supporting line from that point till to the vanishing point. Okay, now you guys see what we can do. We will do here another straight line like this way. Just make it dark. Okay, and from that point we are put the scale properly, and we are make a vertical line proper exact way. then you can find the shape properly. And if you make it little bit dark on this side, so it will be look like this way. Can you understand this thing? Yeah. Okay, this much completed. Can you tell me this object is in your left side or right side? Just tell me.
So left.
Left side. Yes, perfectly. Because we see that object right side and the object right side. The left side is that one, like which we like if it will be a transparent, then we can see this area. Am I right? We can see this area. But when it will be a solid one, we can see only this side and the upper side. When we can see the upper side, that means it is our below of the eye level. Okay. So if we draw one object upside of our eye level, so then what we can see, we just make a straight line in that line. Okay. So we can find that object also. It will be upside of our eye level. So how we can see it will be upside our eye level? Because we can see the lower part of that object, not the upper part. We can see the lower part of that object. For that reason, we can say it is the eye, like above our eye level. Okay. So I draw this object in 4 to 5 different places, so we can understand like how it will be look like in different angles. Okay, so if I draw it in left side, so how it will be look like? So now in this one, no supporting line will be supporting that point. So I'll make the supporting line and I will make it like that way. Now, what you see in this one? What you see in this one? Can you explain me, anyone?
The side of the box.
Yeah, this is left side of the box, and that is on our eye level. The top line is the state one. It is on that eye level. For that reason, we can see that upper side of that box, and we can see the lower part of the box, because the object will be in the below of our eye level, but that edge line is on our eye level. So for that reason, we can see the upper side of that box. Okay. Okay. Like you see this side. Again, this object we can see that upper part and the lower part, both area, because that our eye level will be in the center of that box. So few of that thing will be upside and few of the thing and then are downside. Okay, like if you are sitting in your room and there is a almirah, you can see that lower part of that almirah, you can see that upper part of that almirah. Okay, so like that way. Okay. Now I explain the same object in 2 point, same box in 2 point. How it will be look like? You can understand the how it will be look like in 1 point. Okay, it will be another tough one. It will be the easiest one. Okay, so now we are going for the 2 point. So can you see the proper total line? Okay, so now we are taking 1 point this side, another point this side. Okay, mean here is 1 point and here is the another point. Can you see this point? Okay, so what we can do now, we are taking some supporting line from that point. Okay, and like same way we can take some supporting line from the another point. Okay, before I explain this one, I need to explain one more thing. like this is the square one in one point perspective. You see this thing, and now I explain. If it will be a circle, like you can understand the rectangle also, you can understand the square also. Okay, and but if it will be a circle, how it will look like? How we make that thing? That is also an important thing. Okay, so I may okay, now what we can do, that corner to that corner, I need to add it, and that corner to this corner, I need to add it. Okay, so then we can find the center point, center one. If I make a straight line from that point, and this is the center line of that point, so we find the 4 point where the circle will be touched. Okay, like same way, that box, if it will be going continuously, that edge of that box will be like this way if it will be transparent. Am I right? If the box will be transparent, we can see this square part also. Okay, so again that side also we are making a cross line, and here we are making again another cross line. We are making a straight line there, and we are putting a straight line there. Okay, then we are make a circle from that area to this way. We are touch that each and every point, every 4 point, not that corner. Okay, can we make it very easily? It is not a tough one. Okay, now you understand this one properly. Now what you can do, we will do from this line to this line. If I add that point, we will get that, because if I join that point to that area, it will be coming like this way. So that time we can see this thing, and it will be look like this way. Okay. Okay, now you see in this area what we will do in 2 point. Same thing, just see here. Okay, so you can understand very easily. Okay, we are making the straight line in this one. We are making a one straight line here also. So it will be going that side now. Because these both parallel line are going to do two different point, so for that reason it is called the 2 point. Again, if it will be going to a below eye level, so how you see this one, it will be coming like this way. You can see the upper part of that box, and this side also, this box also, this side also, and this box this side also. Okay, and if we make it in upside of that one, of that line, it will be also going like this way. Okay, now you can see the lower part of that box. Okay, clear? Understand that thing?
Yes.
Okay, so there's another small example of a circle. I draw another box. And if I make a circle that is also going like this way, and now this point will be joined from that point, because this will be that side. So for that reason, the circle will be coming like this way. Because of this surface. And if I make one circle will be in this side, that also looking like this way. There is also a straight line parallel of each other vertical line, and we are joining that point to this area. So it will be look like this way. And if I make a circle in the top of that area, it will be look like this way. And this point will be joined like this way. Okay, next one in 3 point. So what we can do here, again we are taking the eye level first. Okay, again then we are taking a vertical line also. Okay, and we are taking the vanishing point here, one, here is another one, and here is another one. Okay, so now in 2 point, what do we do? We are taking supporting line this way for making a box. Okay, so if this is the upside of that box, in 2 point we are making it straight. Okay, but now in 3 point we are going move that line till to that point. Okay, so next that box will be look like this way. I draw another box so you can understand. So this is our lower part of that box. Yeah, upper part. It is like we are define it like that box will be a little bit upside and little bit also downside also. So for that reason, we are see this object from that point to this point. We are draw like this way. We are draw like this way. So by that way, we are draw this one like this side will be look like this way. We can see that upper one because it will be upside. It will be above the eye level, and the lower part we can see because it will be below the eye level also. That object, our eye level is from the inside of that object. You guys understand these three different point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.